counting again?
Yes.
Start at 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Great counting.
Great counting. What comes after 9?
Count.
9.
1, 2, 3. Great counting.
Here, count more. Pick up a bunch of them and count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1,
8.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're counting.
Great counting. 8. 9. 10. What comes after 10? 10.
1, 2, 3. We're counting.
Great counting.
Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. That's another apple.
It's another apple? I don't think that's an apple. I think it's a piece of Chex Mix. Are you eating Chex Mix?
And a fish.
A fish?
Go get it.
Go get it? I don't know what you're talking about.
Go
I don't
get
see a fish.
Go get the fish.
Oh, the fridge? It's
Go-
closed.
Go get the apple. Go get the apple.
Oh, you want some apple? Would you like to have some apple?
Mmm.
Mmm. Is it good?
Mmm.
Does it taste good?
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
What? Good. Camera.
Camera, can you take a drink of milk, please? You got a lot in your mouth. No, don't spit it out. No, no. Oh, Ruby. Why don't you take a drink of milk? Good girl. You were thirsty. Oh,
You were thirsty.
good job.
You were thirsty.
You were thirsty. Thirsty with TH. Oh, more? What?
There's your leg.
Oh, there's your leg.
Oh, there's your knee.
There's your knees. Very good. Where's your toes?
Toy.
Can you count them?
Toy.
Say this, little piggy.
Knee.
That's your knee.
Knee.
Say, this little piggy went to,
Monkey.
and this little piggy,
Left hand.
and this little piggy had,
Whoopee.
and this little piggy had
Whoopee.
roast beef, and this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee, 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 all the way home.
Wanna count the bicycle?
You want to count a bicycle? Where do you count a bicycle? You see a truck outside?
A duck.
What does the truck sound like?
It's like a sound.
What does it sound like?
With a sound like.
Is that what it sounds like? Yeah. Oh, you're silly. Is your cottage cheese good? Did you eat some? Did you eat some cottage cheese? Can you eat some cottage cheese? You're being silly. Say bye-bye?
Wanna test me?
Huh?
A test me?
Chex Mix? Is it good?
A milk.
That's your milk.
That's your milk.
That's your
We'll
milk.
put the table.
You put it on the table.
You put that table. Puzzle. Puzzle.
Pretzel. You like
Pretzel.
pretzels? Eat some cottage cheese.
One.